change language on Spotify, open the Spotify application on your PC or mobile devices. Make sure to log into your Spotify account. Then tap on Profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here on this drop-down menu box, select the Settings. On the Settings page, at the top only you'll be able to find out the Language option. You need to simply select the arrow next to Language, and from this drop-down menu box you can select the language of your choice and change the language on Spotify. That's how we easily change language on Spotify. So the changes will be applied after restarting the app. You must restart the application in order to apply the changes you have done on Spotify application. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.